This is a review of the STI-V34150. I'll go over the features first and then we'll discuss what the pros and the cons are. This alarm was designed to detect vehicles only. It has a 1000 feet radio range. It has a 12 feet motion detection area. It's weatherproof. When movement is detected, you will get a notification by a sound and a flashing LED. You can choose between 10 tones and 53 selectable words in English and Spanish. You can adjust the sensitivity of the alarm. The alarm is solar powered and it comes with a 1-year warranty. There are a couple of things I like about this alarm. It's easy to install, it's solar powered, and it's weatherproof. The only problem I have found with this alarm is that in some cases the sensor doesn't work properly and it won't detect cars. This alarm comes with a decent motion sensor that is powered by solar energy. It has adjustable sensitivity control and several chimes you can choose from. However, I believe that Dakota 2500 is a superior product since it has one of the best motion sensors on the market.